This was a hard climb. They just heard Bule in town here, so I've got everybody waiting to see what one of them looks like. I've just found out that we're not getting met by a car like the way we came. Instead, we're walking for the next couple hours. At least now, the trail is doable, but drizzling. We're going to arrive in Pagal about a week in the village. It's so weird to see that car over there. There's no way a car could have gotten anywhere where we've been. To cross this, but luckily we're almost there, so I don't care if my shoes get soaked. I'm not worrying about blisters right now. Ahead, it looks like a paved road. This kampung would have looked a remote kampung to me 5 days ago. Now, it seems modern. Thank you to all my friends who carried this stuff. And looks good right now. Looks real good. Okay, they were malu. Ini orang tua and teman punya motor, and Meme belum naik motor di Flores and sangat rindu motor. Haru. Maybe I'll just take the cycle back to Bali and forget the kapal out the ship. This could be a new friend. Fun. And tidak ada di Amerika.
Amerika tidak ada.
Tidak ada.
Cuman di Pagal.
Ada banyak mainan modern,
tapi begini tidak ada.
Ini lebih
bagus.
Fun. When you don't have a big gas station, this is how you do it. You put like this funnel there and fill up the funnel, and now we can make it up the hill. Pagal is down here somewhere. If I go slow, maybe we can find it. A lot bigger town. Seems a lot more modern. Really beautiful spot here. Great spot to live. And we got a signal off here. I'm sure I don't have a signal, and you get to a mountaintop and you call everybody you know or SMS. Bisa lihat Pagal. There's Gereja, church. Untuk apa?
Potong rumput.
Ya, and itu?
Untuk potong kayu.
Terima kasih. Siapa nama?
Gode.
Siapa ini?
Neti.
Ya?
Neti.
Cantik sekali.
Oke.
Yeah. Mendekatkan bisa lihat orang ini. Siapa nama? Rion. Ruang tamu with kursi. Ibu tua bisa duduk di kursi lagi. And it felt good. Bagus sekali. Hanya listrik, but ada TV and bisa lihat video with TV. Tidak bisa di Poka. The house I stayed in after 5 days in Poka. Lebih modern, tapi masih ada sapi. Ada orang di pohon ini. Going to get some fruit for me because it looked good, but he has to climb the tree to get it here. This is what we traveled from Pagal to Ruteng. So I was traveling in this. Family di sini. Bapa. Ibu. Into this bus. I thought just us were the ones who were going, but after that, about 8 stops later, we picked up more passengers and bumpy road here. And I wish I was like these kids and hanging on the side here. It's not good, but not like yesterday anyway. Compared to that, this is good. Certainly tidak ada Poka. This is like Ruteng isn't the same. Banyak motor, banyak semuanya. We quickly had to jump off of one bus and get into another bus. Definitely sit here.
Nara itu. Nara.
Or sit here. Lots of people.
Nara hilang.
Yes, can work for the window.
Lau kami, lau
I'll take it over.
lau akan bersama.
If I can see a lot through the back window. another destination. Where will I be tonight? Like we're here. Must be the place. So is Jeruk and telur. Ada telur. Ada kacang tanah. Ada banyak. Banyak coba jual jeruk. They look good, but I don't have any money with my money. I think my money's with Marcelo, and he's way up in front of this bus here. Banyak orang, tidak ada tempat untuk lagi. Ada tempat untuk lagi? Orang lagi bisa di bus ini? I think tidak bisa. Orang lain masuk? Ada tempat untuk ibu? Dua
Adik bisa duduk.
anak? Dua anak bisa duduk di sana. And bayi ini YouTube. A really good song, but he won't turn around and do it. About jam dinding. See, I know. Aku hanya diam. Nenek tahu. Alright, the singer who's malu. Penyanyi yang malu. Yeah. People on the top, people on the side, people everywhere.
Indonesia.
Ada banyak lagi masuk. And ada tempat untuk semuanya. Meme lebih senang duduk di sini. You wouldn't believe how many people are getting off this bus. I mean, like, there's a lot of us. I think we're supposed to eat here.
Begitu beratnya kau lepas diriku. Sebut namaku jika kau rindukan aku. Aku akan datang. Mungkinkah kita akan selalu bersama, walaupun jarak dari antara kita. Biarkan peluk erat tanganmu. Mungkinkah
Ada satu lagi di bus ini. Ada ayam. Must be coming into Pulang. No, I want bus dulu. Dadah. That was fun. And this time we get to have a ladder to get on our boat that goes to the couple. Everybody's hot, but me, because I just got in the water for about 10 minutes. So I'm nice and cool. And here we are. Hi. There's another one of us. Now the mood's getting pretty silly here now that we're finally going. People are starting to laugh together. Harbor.
Halo.
And town.
Beli remote-nya.
Labuan Bajo.
Jalan dari tempat jadi laut sembarang.
Aha. It's a mad dash for everybody zooming up, trying to kill each other, getting up at the same time. Everybody's screaming, yelling. Weird. Very weird. But if I look below, now for those that's too round, same process. Oh, look at this guy. I got it all here. Whoa, yes. Staff decouple out Meme.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's not crazy.